Okay, so I found a board, so I will make sure there are a bunch of these. They normally should be in your station. If they're not there, just ask me or check with your neighbor and see if they have a bunch of these. But it's basically a piece of opaque black paper cut up, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I am going to have, again, my enlargers off, and I'm going to cover up everything but a small portion of my light sensitive photo paper. And then what I'm going to do is, with everything else set up the way I talked about, I'm going to go ahead and press that button there. And again, you can't see it, but the enlarger is actually on. So it's going to turn on for exactly 10 seconds. So this paper right here was just exposed for just 2 seconds in that exact spot. Nothing else was exposed, assuming the lights were off. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this down a little bit. Okay, so this is still exposed, but now I have another part that's exposed, and I'm going to expose it again. So let's think about it. This now just got 2 seconds exposure, and this got an additional 2 seconds. So if you think about it, if you just add that up, that's 4 seconds exposure total here, and 2 seconds exposure total here. Let me do that again. I'm going to take this paper and, whoopsie, move it down again a little bit more. Okay, and again, you're not going to see anything because it's a latent image on here. I haven't actually put this through the developing process. So turn the light on again. So now think about it. That just got 2 seconds exposure. That got 2 seconds plus 2 seconds, so that's 4 seconds. And that got 2 seconds plus 2 seconds plus 2 seconds, 6 seconds. Okay, let's do one more like that. Okay, turn the light on again. All right, so it's just cumulative. So 2, 4, 6, 8. You get the idea. And let's see how much paper. Okay, I have plenty more. I'll do another one. So again, 10, it's multiples of 2 in this case. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, you get the idea. And just to keep me honest, I'm going to have one section where if I wanted to go to 12, I can do that. But I'm going to make sure I leave just a little bit of the paper covered when I do the last one. So I'm going to do a 12-second exposure like that. And then what you do is you're going to take this paper and you're going to run it through the chemistry over here. So let me put that face down in the chemistry. Now this obviously was exposed, so I know what's going to happen to this. If I plunk this in, and just to show you, so I have it in the developer, I can guarantee you this should turn solid black because this is in the light and, well, that's no good. So give it a moment and we'll watch that turn solid black. But I'm going to turn off the lights and turn off the video, and I'm going to make a real test strip and show you what that would look like, just repeating the exact same steps I made, and then I'll show you what that looks like when I run it through the developer. So obviously that is what you don't want, and if you do that, that means your paper was overexposed and you have a problem.